Hello everyone, welcome back to online classes. Standard 8, Subject English, Section Grammar, Unit 20, Topic Homographs. Let us solve the exercise and write the answers of this topic. Let's begin. Homograph. Homograph is derived from two Greek words. Homo means same and graph means write. It is a word that shares the same written form as another word but has a different meaning. In simple words, homograph, also known as homonyms, are the words with same spelling with either similar sound pronunciation but have different meanings, such as, let us see the examples. Bat. Bat is a piece of sport equipment or an animal. See, here bat is having two meanings. Means one, it is a bat which is used for playing, and another is an animal. Now see fine. Fine means of good quality or a levy penalty. Fine means to have good money, and fine also means to charge a fine on somebody. Row. Row means line or argument or proper a boat. Fourth one, wave. Move the hand in the greeting or see water coming to the shore. Now we have understood words which are having double meanings. Now let us study the examples of homographs in sentences. Well. Sheila got water from the well. Sheila was not feeling well at the school day. Second, bark. This tree has a thick bark. Second, the loud bark of the dog kept me awake. Play. She went to see the play at her school. Do you play football? Asked Rachel. Now see, each word is having double meanings here. Well is having two meanings, bark is having two meanings, and play word is also having two meanings, and it can be used in different ways. Now let us see some words, their meanings and the usage in the sentences. Left direction. She took left direction to reach the bank. Second, left. Past tense of leave. Mrs. Sharma left the office at 5 p.m. Bat. Bat in cricket. The boy was playing with his bat. Bat an animal. A bat is a flying mammal. Close means shut. Can you please close the door? And close means near. The post office is close to my house. Minute, tiny. Microorganisms are very minute. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. Minute, unit of time. I will be with you in just a minute. Fan, an admirer. I am a big fan of Sachin Tendulkar. Fan, a cooling device. Can you switch off the fan, please? Date, a kind of fruit. There were very few dates planted around the house. Date, a special date or time. Do you know the date of wedding? Address, where one lives. Don't forget to write your address on the cover of the principal. Address, to give a speech. Our principal addressed us on the occasion of Teachers' Day. In this manner, we have studied some examples of homographs, also known as homonyms. Now see, homographs or homonyms have same words spelling, but homophones have different spelling, but the pronunciation is same. Let us study some examples of homophones. A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word but has a different meaning and spelling. Now first example is flower, flower, meat, meat, ate, sun, sun, buy, buy. Examples for participate to learning and differentiate. Here many examples are given. Allowed, allowed, bean, bean, board, board, cereal, cereal, course, course, die, die, fair, fair, great, great, grown, grown, heel, heel. Holy, holy, idle, idle, new, new, not, not, loan, loan, made, made, nail, mail, own, one, pain, pain, peace, peace, raise, raise, sore, sore, see, see, sweet, sweet, tail, tail, vein, vein, waste, waste, wine, wine, wood, wood, whale, whale. The exercise. Question number 1. Explain the meaning of the homographs given in the following sentences. Now if you study these examples with me, you will understand that homographs in detail. Let's begin. First one. After the performance, the actor took a bow to bend as a sign of respect. Second, she tied a ribbon onto a bow. Bow is a fancy knot. Now second sentence, slow down so you can do not tire yourself out. Tire exhausted. Yatin's bicycle has a flat tire. Your tire means a rubber wheel. Third, the wind blew away the napkins of the table. Wind, air. Grandpa will wind up the toy robot. Wind to turn up a key which gives energy. Fourth, I was in the lead role. Lead to play main character. Lead is the heaviest metal. Your lead is a metal. So see students, you have understood the meaning of homographs. Meaning is different but the word is same, means the spelling is same. I will park the car here. Park, to put the car in a safe place. Shall we go to the park? Park, a place where people go to feel fresh. In this manner, question number 1 is completed. Now question number 2 is on homophones. Now see, homophone is words are different but the pronunciation is same. BLEW blue, BLUE blue, HOUR break, break, write, scent, so, dear, stare, here, which. You have to focus on the spellings here. Pronunciation will be same but the spellings will be different. Question number 3, make sentence to bring out the difference between. PEAR, pear. My favorite fruit is pear. PAIR, pear. I bought a new pair of shoes. HAIR, hair. My hair is black in color. HARE, hair. A hair always jumps around. PIECE, peace. Can you please give me a piece of cake? PEACE, peace. I believe there should be peace in the world. Right, RIGHT, right. I am always right. WRITE, right. I write during night time. In this manner we have completed homographs, homophones, and this chapter is over.